Is that what YouTube will be like? Do you think you can swap out, keep Unbox there, be cooking, but get Lou out of there?
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. That's I've talked about it on this show many times. That eventually, I feel like that makes sense.
And then you can guest on your own channel after that. You show every once in a while. You know?
I can guest on my own channel, or I can just do transition into other projects. Because same time, man, you live life. You live this life. You got whatever that window is, and I got so many things I want to try. I got too many things I want to try. Does it mean that I want to see some of the stuff I created go away? Not necessarily. I would love for multiple things to continue to exist in a format that I'm still happy with, but connected to in such a fashion that allows me to approach other projects and uncover new interests and just explore more, because you get caught up. It just becomes autopilot. You know how to do it. You keep doing it. And one of the things that having some degree of success unlocks is opportunity, but only if you arrange things in such a fashion to truly approach those opportunities, or whatever you consider to be an interesting opportunity. And I'm not just talking about money. I'm talking about like other things that would be cool to watch happen or to take part in, projects, things like that.